the process. If PO is not there, this is the process. F-90. F-90. Enter. So give the document date. Vendor invoice is a KR. You are purchasing asset from the vendor. So give the 31 vendor details. So this is your vendor. Enter. So amount. Okay. And so text. So this is how much amount you are purchasing building. Okay. 70. So asset is 70. You are procuring building. So building details. Okay. Enter. Here transaction type system is asking. Give the transaction type 100. Okay, 100 is the external asset acquisition. Enter. So just put star and plus. System will copy the amount and text also. Simulate. So system is asking the tax code. See, my tax is not working. Okay. Okay, see, just to post it. So what is the entry after this? So asset account, debtor to vendor, asset account to debtor to vendor. So, but there is one more document here, asset accounting. Okay, so you are doing activity for generally accounting principle is this one. So you are procuring the asset through this accounting principle. Okay, so ING is the document currency. So this is the journal entry. Okay, so this is the journal entry. I will share you this journal entries list also. So it will be posted to ledger wise. The SAP S4HANA, the transaction would be posted to ledger wise. Okay, ledger and accounting principle wise. So I will share you what is this journal entry in the next class in detail. Okay, just now you just try to post the transaction. That's it. Okay. So next I will procure some assets at a time. So I will discuss technical accounts separately because I don't want to mix this. Okay. So give all these details and so I am giving the document at future date, take the current date, enter. So total asset I am procuring 50 lakhs. Total asset I am procuring 50 lakhs. Give 70 for asset. So one asset is plant and machinery. So worth is 25 lakhs. Give the transaction type 100. Okay, enter. So this is 25 lakhs. This is 25 lakhs, and text is so text this one, and one more asset I am procuring that is also 25 lakhs. So furniture also procuring. So system asking, see, I am not, my tax is not collected because someone deleted the data. Okay. Give the transaction type. So you are procuring this asset is external acquisition. So give the amount 25 lakhs. Okay. 25 lakhs and text. Text we can put plus. Simulate. Okay, so total 50 lakhs and one asset and second asset. Total two assets I'm procuring at a time. Earlier one asset I procured through F-90. So transaction was posted. So you want to see the journal entry here. Okay, asset vendor, asset account data to vendor. This is FI and technical account. This is the entry. Okay, so you are done through accounting principle. GAAP. Okay, Indian GAAP. This is the company code currency. and this is document currency. If you have group currency, then group currency also data will be saved. Okay, so you want to see the company code currency. This is company code currency. So this is done. Now the thing is, where we see all these details in table level. So asset procurement table. So we see this data in the table AC DOCA SC16N. So give the table AC DOCA. Okay, and remove this 500 all time. What is your company code? KIM. So execute. Okay, so if you don't know which document right now we posted, so go here and filter the document types. Select this and filter. This is a document, asset account. Okay, I posted yesterday and today also. And you want to see what is the transaction. So there is one T code is there, AB03, AB03 for asset related. Okay, so what is the transaction you posted? You see here. Okay, for asset document posting, we see asset acquisition AB03. AB03 is the T code. Okay. So for finance related, just you copy this document and see AB03. So this is finance related. Okay, for asset related, you see AB03. Give the asset and give a company code and AB03 and take your assets and see the accounting documents. See the asset accounting related documents. Okay. So this is asset acquisition. So asset acquisition done in two ways, MM flow and FI flow. Okay. So I will discuss the technical account tomorrow because I need to calculate the depreciation also. Okay. And what is sub-asset? Anyone? How to create the sub-asset? Okay, tomorrow we discuss the sub-asset concept. Today we will do only asset procurement and depreciation. That's it. Okay. So I procured through MM flow, asset procured through MM flow, and FI also. Okay. Now we need to calculate the depreciation for all these assets. I need to calculate the depreciation for all these assets. So tomorrow I will discuss ECC S4HANA depreciation changes. Okay. Today just let me complete this transactional activities in SAP S4HANA. And tomorrow onwards, I will discuss what exactly there in ECC and what exactly there in SAP S4HANA. I will compare the both things. Okay. So for asset depreciation and calculation, we generally use the T code. I will share you the documentation also. No worries. The T code list and also. See, AFAB is the transaction code for calculation of the depreciation. What is the T code? AFAB. So give your company code, give accounting principle. Okay, so give the period. So which period right now we are in 02. Okay. So what is info for posting parameter? The last period it will show when you calculate the depreciation, that date will be shown here. Okay, I didn't calculate the depreciation for previous years and current years, current posting periods. So that's the reason it's showing the nil. Okay, for example, you have calculated depreciation last month, system will show you last month you have done. This facility is not there in ECC. Okay, and accounting principle. So you take number of accounting principles, you take different kind of company codes, and at a time you calculate the depreciation. This option is not there in ECC. In ECC, we can run only one company code at a time. So, and there is no accounting principle in ECC. Okay, so you can take multiple accounting principles here. Okay, and take the fiscal year and posting period. Select this total log, detail log, no output log. These options are no more in ECC screen. Okay, so I will show you ECC screens tomorrow. Okay, right now just understand that info for posting parameter means, so when you have done this depreciation last state, those details you will see here. But this option is not there in ECC. But in SAP S4HANA, we have an option like accounting principle. Wise we can calculate the depreciation. This option is not there in the ECC. Okay. And so total log, detail log, no output log. This option is no more in ECC. Okay. And so just to give the periods. Okay. And test mode means, so when you are executing test mode, so it should not be final. Okay, you need to check in test mode. We will check the errors only. Okay, so total log means total accumulated depreciation for this all assets. Detail log means each asset wise depreciation. Total log means total accumulated depreciation. System will totally calculated depreciation for these all assets. Detail log means each asset wise you can see the information. No output log means you don't see any, you don't want to see any result. No output log. So here just execute this T code. So we are getting an error. So interval 5 Kim 2024 does not exist. So create 0505 means, so depreciation related interval. Okay. So go to this FBN1, FBN1. So give your company code, interval, interval. What is your company code? Kim. So interval put 05. 05 2023 and take one number 12,000, up to 12,000 we given. 12,000 1 13,000. Save it. See this 05, right? 05 means what? Just go to OBA7 and the document type EAF. EAF means depreciation document. EAA means asset accounting. EAA is asset accounting. See, for this number in 05 is there. Okay. So now now you just execute in test mode. Test mode means not final mode. So see any errors, other errors. See here I done, I'm getting this issue. Why? Because for 05 I take in 2023 only. That's the reason I'm getting this issue. So I need to take 2024. Save it. Oh, this should be 12,001 and 13,000. Save it. Okay. And go here and execute. Okay, see this is the total depreciation. Okay, so if you click on this, so individual wise we will see the entry. Accumulated depreciation account to depreciation. This is the entry. Okay, sorry, depreciation account to accumulated depreciation. Depreciation account to accumulated depreciation. Depreciation account to accumulated depreciation for all our assets. 3 assets we calculated. 1, 2, 3. Furniture, plant and machinery and building. We calculate the depreciation for this. But this is in test mode only. Any errors are there, you will see here. There is no errors, and real time you will execute thousands of assets. Okay, that's the reason you need to do this activity in the background mode, not front mode. If you even try to do this, system will ask you to do this activity in the background mode. Okay, so now you go to program and execute background mode. Okay, and give this output device and click on OK. Select immediately and save it. That's it. So we have done this background job. Okay, so background job was scheduled. So you want to see the background job details, go to system, or else go to system, services, jobs, define job overview, or else you directly use the T code SM37. SM37. Okay. So if you use directly SM37, it will take you the so system will take you this screen. Now you just execute. So here spool was generated. Okay. Just double click on this spool and click OK. So this is the total depreciation is calculated. Okay. So this amount we total depreciation calculate this, or else you can also see like this. Okay. So any errors are there, so it will reflected in the job log. So here we will see, so there is no error. So it was posted to accounting principal. Okay. So depreciation was calculated successfully. And how to check the depreciation is calculated successfully? You just go to AW01N. AW01N. So here, so you will see detailed information. Select the building, okay, and go to posted value. This is planned values. See, this is planned values. Posted values, you will see the posted information. So depreciation is calculated, and just to come down, so we calculate the second month for depreciation, right? And you can also see comparison. So if you have fiscal years are there, we just see the comparison also. Comparison. So here you see the acquisition, total depreciation, net book value of the asset. We will see each individual wise, and your calculated depreciation, book depreciation, but real time cost in depreciation, tax depreciation also we will calculate the same way. The system will calculate automatically. And next thing is just go to AW0 and check other assets also. Okay, so plant and machinery, and go to posted values. Depreciation is calculated. Okay, and capitalization. So capitalization, those things you go to AS02. Okay, and give your asset. The system will automatically, the capitalized date will given automatically. Okay, once you procure the asset. And here also you will see asset values. Okay, so you are calculating book depreciation. So for vendor, for this is the vendor. So this is vendor. This is GL accounts. Okay, and go to parameters. So useful life of the asset is this asset planted which is 10 years. So you even not done for only one accounting period. That's the reason it's not showing anything. Like even so, if you done one accounting period, so it should be expired life should be 9 years. If you done 2 years depreciation calculation, it will show you 8 years. Okay. So when you start the depreciation this way. Okay. So now you want to see the depreciation values. Okay. So there is one table is there. So go to SC16N and go to SC DOCA company code. What is your company code? KIM and see. See, and you see the document type here. The document type, take this and set filter. EAF means depreciation document. So this is your all depreciation documents. Okay, so all your asset account line item tables, acquisitions, depreciation and all stored in the SC document. Got my point? So you posted this transaction only this. So this transaction type is ENM. Okay, so 40 means debit, 50 means 75 means technical account. So this is depreciation, right? 75. So credit asset. Okay, so you want to see the transaction. Just you copy this and go to FB03. This is accounting document. And you see the information. Depreciation. So go to this and check here. Here is the document type. Who posted? When posted, these are all details. This is the way we will calculate the depreciation. You try it and send the screenshots today. Okay. Got my point? Any issues? Right. So please send a screenshot.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to increase the bank length, sir? 18 to 25
Which
in
bank length?
vendor master, sir.
Vendor master. You want
In,
to
increase that, sir.
give the details, right? IBAN number.
I'm given, sir. In real time, I'm working in a vendor master, sir. But vendor government vendor is there. That is bank length is 24 something is there. But we are accepting only 18, sir.
Okay, so characteristics is more than okay. You can discuss these things with your ABAPer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ABAPer.
And one more thing, sir. How to change the decimals, sir? In commas and full stops in amounting values.
Actually, in SC03, we have an option SC01. So SC0. Last time you asked for this question, right?
Yes, sir.
So I told you. Okay, so here we have defaults. Okay, we have defaults. This access you don't have in real time. This will be done by only security people.
So can we create our one way, sir? That decimals.
Which Decembers?
That three options we don't require, but we need required others, sir. Can we create our one way?
Which one? SC03. So what you are telling, I didn't get you.
December is there. That three options is there, sir. Brought down if you are brought down commas and full stop.
Excuse me, sir.
This we can change it. Okay. It's
Hello.
very.
That is the three options we required, don't require, but other we have to work. Can we create one way? That
Other
is
not allowed. Then you can connect to the security team or ABAPer. Okay. This is
Sir, I think one T code is there, sir.
ah
OY 17, I think.
OY 17.
OY 17, yeah.
OY 17.
17, 17. 17.
Okay. This is country, right?
Bank key also, I think.
Okay.
Here.
But
Here,
this
bank key also we can.
bank account number maximum.
A little bit down, little bit down.
Yeah.
Last one. Length. Last one.
Bank data, postal code.
Last line, sir. 11 is there, no, sir? Yes. Bank length key.
So maximum length, this one, without gaps.
Here, I think here also we need to extend it.
But this fields only.
Yeah, actually, ABAPer is controlled.
We don't have this access. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this length and all will be done by other people, back-end worker, like ABAPer.
Yes, exactly.
So because we don't have access for this in real time, OY means this is not ours. Okay, right. Thank you all. So maximum length, if you want to exit, then you connect to ABAPer only. Technical people. Thank you. See.